Hello, grade 6. How are you? Let's start our lesson today about exploring ratio and rate with real world institution representing ratio. Firstly, what's the meaning of the ratio? The ratio is comparing between two numbers or two quantities of the same kind by division. عندي three ways to write the ratio: A to B, or A to B, or A over B. The quantities in the ratio are called terms. A and B called terms. The first term in the ratio above is A and the second term is B. A ratio can compare a part to a part, or a part to the whole, or the whole to a part. Example: a basket of fruit contains 6 apples, 4 bananas, and 3 orange. Write each ratio in all 3 forms. Question A: bananas to apple. Bananas to apple. The number of banana is 4 and the number of apples is 6. Then the ratio is 4 over 6, or 4 to 6, or 4 to 6. Question B: orange to bananas. The number of orange is 3 and the number of banana is 4. يبقى 3 to 4, or 3 over 4, or 3 to 4. Question C: orange to the total pieces of fruits. عندي the number of orange is 3 and the total number of fruits 6 plus 4 10 plus 3 13. يبقى 3 over 13, or 3 to 13, or 3 to 13. The difference between fractions and ratio. A fraction is defined as a part of a whole or a part of group. The denominator represents the total number of equal parts. The whole is divided into. You can add or subtract two fractions and represent it on the number line. The ratio is comparison of two quantities. Can represent part to part, or part to whole, or whole to part. Writing the ratio in the simplest form. Sometimes the ratio can be simplified to the simplest form by divided or time. A ratio is in simplest form when the only common factor of its term is 1. To simplify a ratio to the simplest form, divided both terms by their greatest common factor. greatest common factor اللي هو GCF. Example 2: find each ratio in the simplest form 18 to 48. Firstly لازم اجيب الGCF. انا عندي ال 18 3 by 6. ال 6 طبعا composite number لازم اعمله برايم، يبقى 2 times 3. وال 48 6 by 8. ال 6 2 by 3. ال 8 2 by 4. وال 4 2 by 2. الGCF عندي الكومن فاكتور 2 و 3، يبقى GCF 2 times 3 equal 6. another solution: ممكن ال 18 even وال 48 even اعمل divided by 2 in the both terms، يبقى 9 to 24 divided by 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 24 divided by 3 is 8. 3 to 8. Only common factor is 1. What is a rate? A rate is a ratio that compares two quantities in different units of the measure. A rate language often uses the words per and every for every to describe the relationship. Some common examples for rate: 80 kilometers per an hour, 3 eggs for every 1 cup of flour, 5 pounds per apple. Example 3: if the ratio between two numbers is 7 to 4 and the smaller number is 12, find the greatest number. أول حاجة أنا أعمل 7 and 12 divided by 4 equal 3, then the greatest number is 3 times 7 equal 21. If the ratio between A and B is 2 to 9 and the greatest number is 18, greatest number opposite to the greatest ratio, then 18 divided by 9 is 2 and 2 times 2 equal 4, then the smaller number is 4. Thank you. See you next session إن شاء الله.